Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 11 bedroom, 9 bathroom villa for sale. It sits on 3.2 acres of land and is located in the Greenside community just outside of Falmouth, Trelawny. The 3-story newer built building is sited to give a panoramic view of the Caribbean Sea, and cruise ships can be seen in the Falmouth harbour at times. There is also a view of the hills. The new building has self-contained units, 2 bedrooms plus bathroom, and most units have a view. It is 75% complete, as some floor tiles and fixtures are required. The drawings are also available. The older building is on 2 levels and has some charm. The yard is well fruited with naseberry and many mango trees. The property is 25 minutes from the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay and 40 minutes from Ocho Rios. There are 2 split system air conditioning units, 5 water tanks, and a water heater in the older building. The property is close to the town of Falmouth, public beaches, hotels, and attractions such as rafting on Martha Brae River, swamp safari, and the world-famous Luminous Lagoon. It is thus prime for use as a vacation home, housing for staff of a resort, and also for development purposes. Call today to arrange a viewing or make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 950,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.